Guys, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about what I feel is better between WordPress or ClickFunnels. All right, WordPress is a website building platform. It helps you build a website, which is all and good. And ClickFunnels will help you build a website, but it also has a funnel, a sales funnel that actually helps get people to your website better than just driving traffic to your website. What I mean by that is a website people go to and they have to navigate through the website. And if you're like me, okay, I don't understand anything about navigating through websites or how to get there or do anything like that. ClickFunnels will walk them through the process. They'll walk you through the sales process, okay? If you're trying to do your research right now on what's better is to get a website or a sales funnel, you definitely want to look into a sales funnel because that's going to help you a lot more to getting sales to your product than a website is, okay? I personally have been looking around for a long time to find something to do online, and just doing a website really wasn't it for me. I've looked at, WordPress and a lot of the other things out there, and when I came across ClickFunnels, I saw something that was different. Okay, it's a sales funnel. It walks people through the process. Now, I found a mentor that I'm working with. His name is Franklin Hatchett. So we're partnering together to help you guys get started. Okay, if you click the link below, what's going to happen is you're going to get 4 free trainings. Okay, one of the trainings is going to be about ClickFunnels, what ClickFunnels is about, how to work ClickFunnels, and all the bells and whistles that go on with ClickFunnels. And then the next 3 videos they're between 17 and 45 minutes. Okay, but the next 3 ones are going to go into deeper about how to do your marketing and how to do this and do that. And Franklin walks you through the setup process step by step. So what I'm saying is if I'm talking to a person who has no clue how to use a computer, has no clue on anything about websites, doesn't know anything about SEOs, which is search engine optimization, you don't know anything about how to drive traffic, you don't know any first thing about it. This is a step-by-step process. And when I say step-by-step, I've looked at other step-by-step processes and I get confused along the way. They're not step-by-step enough for me. But Franklin breaks it down to where he does one video for one function. So you do a video, you watch it, then you implement it. Then you do another video and you implement it. And you get your funnel set up. Once your funnel is set up, it is completely automated. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, it's going to do the selling for you. Let me say it again. It's going to do the selling for you. You don't have to keep sending out emails because they automatically send them out. If you get your ClickFunnels set up, if you go ahead and get your tracking software put on there, if you treat this like a business, and I'm saying that again, if you treat this like a business, this is not a get rich quick thing. This is not an overnight thing. This is a business. If you work this on a consistent and regular basis, you're going to build a business. Once you get through those 4 videos that he's going to be talking to you about, you will see the power of the internet. If you don't understand it, watch the videos, because I came out and I understood it. It made sense to me. That's when I got behind it. That's when I started promoting it, and that's where I'm at right now. Okay, ClickFunnels to me, it was just a whole new world. Before I thought, okay, I need a website. I got to send people to my website. And that was my whole focus. That's what I got to do. When I came across ClickFunnels, I was like, whoa, this is completely different. Okay, I do have a website, but I also have autoresponders where the emails go out and people, they get these emails on a regular basis. All I have to do is set this up. Then all I have to do is drive traffic to the opt-in page. Then let the program do the rest. To me, it makes so much sense. I have a very strong why. What is your why? Why are you doing this? I'm doing it because I want financial freedom. I want to be able to do what I want to do. I want to be able to go where I want to go. I want to travel. I want to see the world. Okay, and doing it with an internet business makes that possible. And for me, it's something that I'm going to do. I don't know really how else to explain it to you, but it just makes sense to me. So if you found this information, all right, for what you were looking for, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps me out. And then subscribe and follow me out. I'm putting out 90 videos in 90 days to see how that works with it. That's one of the things that he said. put it out there. It's like every day when I'm researching how to build this YouTube business, how to do that. It's whatever you're doing, do more. So, instead of putting out one video a week, I'm putting out a video every day. What I did today for my business. Today, what I did was I researched how YouTube's algorithm works, what I need to do, how there's a thing called vidIQ, which goes through off to the side in YouTube, and it shows you all this different stuff like clicks per minute and search traffic. There's just so much information out there that you need to look at it. So if you're just doing an hour a day, okay, if you can just do an hour a week, but you're doing it on a consistent basis, you're going to build a business. I don't know how to say that any plainer to people. Okay, do it on a consistent basis. I'm talking to the people that just have no idea what to do. If you're doing it on a consistent basis, you're doing it on a regular basis, hop in there. Hey, look, make a comment down below, get into this thing, and let's make a journey together. Once you get in and everything, shoot me an email. Let's start talking. What did I do? What are you doing? How can we make it better? How can we grow our channels together? I mean, one of the things that I found out is partner with people on YouTube to make your channel grow. Partner with people that are around your success. At the present time, I'm starting out. I'm looking for other people that are starting out that want to build a business and want to work hard at it. Okay, we can bounce ideas off of each other. How we're going to do this, how we're going to do that. What did you do yesterday? What worked? What didn't work? You can talk to the big gurus, but they've already done it. They've done it years ago, okay? We're going through this now. Let's make a journey together. Okay, one of the things that I want everyone to remember that's listening to this is somebody told me this before. Do today what others won't, so you can live tomorrow like others can't. So if you're putting it, instead of sitting in front of the TV for 2 or 3 hours a night, you're putting in an hour or two on your business. That's what other people won't do, okay? So down the road, when they can't go on those vacations that you want to go on, you can. So do today what others won't, so you can live tomorrow like others can't. I am still learning this, so I have my own little cheat sheet thing that I'm looking off here. I'm working with video editing software, but like anything else, I don't know anything about it, so I have to learn about it. So I'm trying to learn about it, and I'm taking little bits and pieces here and there. But anyways, look, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, hit the subscribe button, and check out the link. I mean, it's a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. You get 14 days. Go in there, look around, play around, see how easy it is. Follow Franklin's advice. Do what he says. Okay, he's proven track record in the industry of affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, if I haven't said it, is all that is you're suggesting other people's products. You don't have to have a product. You don't have to warehouse a product. All you're doing is suggesting people a product, and you get a commission from that. Okay, well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.